You're good now.
Not really.
No? Okay. Take.
That side.
Let me see. So you see, it is a line already. It's just not going in. I think is that. Okay. His door got bent a couple days ago. So now
You gotta heat it up.
yeah, there is a bolt that it probably has ice right now. Woo!
You gonna leave that for me too?
No. Nice and crispy.
Make sure it's crispy, yeah?
Oh, it's crispy. Princess Auto, thank you. Great deal. I went to check. They have.
We haven't charged it in like 9 days either.
That's true. It's been in the truck in the cold. Wow. Honestly,
What a
great.
Good.
Think we should be good now.
yeah, let's pull her up.